Sri Lanka's beauty has been known the world over for centuries, winning multiple travel destination accolades in recent times, bringing in millions of tourists annually, and even some guests who refuse to leave. It's got the mountains, the wildlife, the history, the cultural spectacles, and very importantly, the golden beaches. It's island life at its finest, but there are many parts of it yet unexplored in the best way they can be, and each is a world of endless potential. We are talking about the pristine lakes, the exciting rivers, and the turquoise waters of the ocean that surrounds the island. Enter the world of boating. From competitive rowing to kayaking and sailing to cruising, from island to island to even having your own serene boathouse on a picturesque lake. There's an entire lifestyle full of exciting possibilities that awaits you. And more people are taking to the waters for leisure and adventure in Sri Lankan engineered boats. Owning your own boat is the new way to live your life to the fullest, and it's as simple as owning a car. Sri Lanka's boat building industry, which has a rich heritage, is rapidly gaining global attention for its engineering prowess and world-class quality. We have excellent craftsmen, experienced in the art of boat building and servicing, ready to show you the other side of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is rapidly emerging as a favorite destination in the boating world, and it's an unending wave waiting for you to ride it. With more harbors and marinas being developed around the island, the possibilities are endless, whether you're out with friends or entertaining clients or even creating a special moment. So set sail and start exploring the pearl of the Indian Ocean and beyond like never before.